Real Estate Queensland e-Conveyancing mandate. Are you ready? Electronic conveyancing is about to become the norm in Queensland, with a mandate coming into effect on 20 February 2023, less than a month away. Electronic conveyancing is already mandatory in New South Wales, Victoria, South Australia and Western Australia. So what does this mean? Property transactions throughout Queensland will need to be completed electronically through the use of the Electronic Lodgement Network, or ELN. From the mandate date, the majority of transactions will be obliged to settle electronically. For example, lodging a transfer of land document, lodging a mortgage, or a caveat. These encompass the majority of transactions across the Sunshine State. There are some exceptions to the rule. For example, if the ELN does not have the required functionality to prepare or lodge a certain type of document, it will be required to be manually lodged via paper at the Land Registry. For a full list of what is included and excluded, please check out our blog where we have the link to the Titles Queensland website. Property Exchange Australia, or more commonly known as PEXA, is the ELN that is used in Queensland. Established in 2010, PEXA operates nationally and will facilitate the hundreds of transactions that occur every day throughout the Sunshine State. The move towards electronic conveyancing is being driven by a desire to make the property buying and selling process more efficient and secure. By using the ELN, conveyancing firms will be able to lodge and withdraw documents, pay and receive funds, and exchange information with other parties in a secure online environment. Benefits. So, one of the key benefits of electronic conveyancing is speed and convenience. Transactions can be completed faster with less need for paper-based documents and in-person meetings. This can save time and money for all parties involved, as well as reducing the risk of error and delays. Another major benefit is improved security. The ELN uses advanced encryption and authentication technologies to ensure that all transactions are secure and protected from fraud. This gives buyers and sellers peace of mind that their personal and financial information is safe and protected. PEXA Key is a smartphone app that allows clients to securely input their banking details, which eliminates the risk of cybercrime via phishing, email interception, and of course, human error. Vendors will now receive their settlement funds the same day of settlement, usually within the same hour, instead of waiting up to 3 business days for settlement monies to clear via bank check. For the purchasers, the title is immediately transferred, putting the property into their name practically instantaneously with the settlement, instead of sometimes taking weeks manually via paper. The mandate to use electronic conveyancing in Queensland is a significant step forward for the property industry. It brings benefits for buyers, sellers, lawyers, real estate agents, and financiers, making the property buying and selling process faster, more efficient, and more secure. So, George, what's next? In preparation for the mandate next month, it's important that solicitors in Queensland familiarise themselves with the ELN and start using it for their property transactions. This will help ensure a smooth transition to the new system and ensure that all parties are prepared for the mandate coming into effect 20 February 2023. PEXA and Empire Legal. Empire Legal first joined PEXA in May 2019, long before any indication of electronic settlements becoming mandatory. We have years of experience and have completed thousands of transactions on the platform. We completed our first ELN Queensland property transaction via PEXA in September of 2019. Our legal practice director, yours truly, is part of the Member Advisory Council, or MAC, for 2022 and 2023, as the ethos of Empire Legal is to embrace technology to better the experience for all involved in the conveyancing transaction. We are truly excited for the mandate and look forward to continuing to help thousands of Queenslanders every year with their conveyancing. If you have any questions or want to know more, please feel free to get in touch with us via the form in the blog info@empirelegal.com.au or on 07 3088 7675 or even our Insta DMs. Chat soon.